75% pa rin, pero doesn't matter as long as I'm not waking up 4 o'clock.
You're no, you wearing this, Nani? Are you not?
I can style it, okay?
This would look good in the black.
Patingin yung shoes daw. Ayun, pang matanda parang panahon na.
Yeah.
Ay, mabet ko din yung mga ganyan eh.
Ay, gusto mo yan?
Mabet ko din yung mga ganyan eh. Pero, maganda ba? Is it comfy or whatever?
Ayan, gusto mo yan. Parang kaya, no?
Ito kay Nettie.
No, because I can layer stuff. With all my clothes, they look bad just one, but then you layer it and it looks
Yeah,
better.
this is nice. Pagka meron pang ilalim nito.
Yeah.
Yeah, parang pang party mo. Sa India, lalo na kasi nakaslong long sleeve.
Meron pa doon mga malalaking black, ah.
Huh?
Let's go too far, mommy. Let's go to the first, what is it called? The first
I only went to
tapos?
to a Catholic school for like 1 year and they would do
Pakita ka
every
na.
Monday.
Ah.
My goodness, gusto ko umiyak.
for us. And then you started, and then I started laughing.
Kasi naman na ganun.
I mean, it was just the three of us that were laughing, and everyone's dead silent. They were all.
Sabihin ni Aaron, ano ba pag-iisip ko lang?
Kasi ngayon lang naman eh. Ayan eh. Kain ka na, anak? Oh, may doon, tokwa. Sandy, Pretty, Alfie, si Nettie. Parelax ka muna dyan, Nettie. Di pa naman naalis. Pag-relax ka muna.